first thing you want to do is cut your napa cabbage in half lengthwise, and then with each half, cut them into thirds. Next, you want to rinse the cabbage leaves. You want to make sure that you are going in between each of the leaves to get rid of any dirt. I am using half a cup of kosher salt, and I am generously spreading kosher salt between each leaf. Repeat the process until you are finished. When you are done, you want to let the cabbage leaves rest for about 2 hours. The salt is going to bring out the water from the napa cabbage. Within those 2 hours, you want to turn over the cabbage every 30 minutes. While we wait for the napa cabbage, let's get started on our rice porridge. In a small pot, add 2 cups of water. Let the water boil over medium heat and add 2 tablespoons of rice flour. You want to stir the mixture for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add 2 tablespoons of sugar and let it boil for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, turn off the heat and let it cool down completely. Next, you want to shred your daikon and carrots. Peel your yellow onion and garlic. Next, you want to julienne 2 cups of daikon and 1 cup of carrots. Then dice your onion. Also slice 8 green onions and mince half a cup of garlic and 2 teaspoons of ginger. After 2 hours, you want to thoroughly rinse between each leaf. Once you're done rinsing the cabbage, you want to cut the core off. Now let's make the kimchi paste. Pour the porridge into a big mixing bowl, and then add half a cup of fish sauce. Next, add 2 cups of Korean red pepper powder. Also add your ginger, onion, and garlic, and then mix well. Add your green onions, carrots, and daikon and mix well again. What you want to do now is spread kimchi paste onto each leaf. After spreading the kimchi paste over a few of the leaves, roll the leaves together and place it into a glass container. Here are some tips about storing the kimchi. Make sure that there is at least an inch or more of empty space from the lid. Do not close the lid tightly. In order for the kimchi to ferment properly, let the jar sit at room temperature for at least 2 to 4 days. During this time, the kimchi will create bubbles and gas. It will need to escape, and if you close it tightly, then pressure can build up and the jar can explode or even crack. After 2 to 4 days, you want to store this in your fridge. I hope this video was easy and informational for you.